small ones, I'm going to do an overview of this, of the different things that I have been doing. I also share this with you. I've made myself my own vase. Week 1 of summer camp has been really good fun. There's lots of things that we've done, aren't there? But it's been super, super hot. You might be able to hear the noise of my fan in the background, which I should probably turn off. Done. This week I said that I was going to do a lot of baking, and I have managed to do a lot of baking. Sorry, I thought somebody was coming to the door. Started off by making carrot cake for Father's Day, and then I think she wants to go and lie on the floor. Do you want to go and lie on the floor? Yeah. Carrot cake for Father's Day for my dad and for my husband. Then I went on and did a marble cake for some friends of ours, and I think I probably ate a bit too much of that. And today I've been baking my grandfather's 105th birthday cake. Next week I'll share pictures of that. Other things I've been doing, I have got a fair coming up. So if you know me, then I expect you remember my painted gift bags. And I do these for when I'm selling things. I've got one here to show you. I've done small ones as well. I really enjoy doing those. Those come when people buy a bigger purchase. Otherwise they're £2 or £2.50 depending on their size. I've also been working in my sketchbook, and I'm going to do an overview of this, of the different things that I have been doing. I decided I would make a diary of everything I had done each day. This one represented the baking that I have been doing. Then, due to the hot weather, we had the most fantastic thunderstorm, and lightning actually hit Southend Pier. It's the longest pleasure pier in the world. So that had to go in my collage sketchbook. Here is the view across from where I live to Kent, across the Thames estuary with the storm. And then I did a collage of the bags that I have been making. Here's the vase tutorial I promised. This was made from an old carton, actually an oat milk carton, and it's super easy. So you start by cutting the carton. I cut it about 2/3, that's the height I wanted my vase. And then I cut around the edges to create an interesting top. I painted it a dark colour to cover up all the writing, and I had to do this twice. And then I chose this lovely bright turquoise colour, painted it that, had to do that twice, and added in the stripes. I popped a stone in to keep this steady because it's a lightweight vase and it needed something heavy at the bottom. So in goes the stone and then the flowers. And the reason I really like this is if you have several cartons, you could do lots of different colour vases at different heights to match your colour scheme if you've got a party, and it's super easy, and of course it's recycling. So hopefully you guys might try this and let me know. So that's it for this week, but please can you like, share, and I'd love it if you could subscribe.